Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can withdraw Ethereum from Kraken to your bank account. Please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. So yeah, you have to make sure that you have the correct plan or version that supports this feature so you will have full access to everything you need. So first, you will open your Kraken app, and once you're here, you will have to log in and tap Portfolio, which is on the bottom menu. It depends on the layout of your app, and then you will select Ethereum, and then you will tap withdraw, which is on the bottom button as well. And then you will select your linked bank account. If it's not linked yet, then you will tap add bank account and enter the bank details, account number, routing number, IBAN account, IBAN name, and that's it. Yeah, enter the amount of ETH to withdraw, and then Kraken will calculate fiat equivalent. Review fees, bank, and amount, and then you will tap submit withdrawal, and then you will confirm via email or 2FA if prompted. Your bank account will receive funds according to Kraken's processing time. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope it was helpful, and if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.